Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to call on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Make sure you are connected to the internet either through mobile data or Wi-Fi because WhatsApp calls use an internet connection instead of regular phone networks. Once you are inside the app, tap on the Chats tab if you want to call someone you have already messaged, or tap on the Calls tab to see your recent call history. To call someone from your chat list, open their chat by tapping on their name. You will see a phone icon and the video camera icon at the top right corner. If you want to make a voice call, tap the phone icon. If you want to make a video call, simply tap the video camera icon. WhatsApp will immediately start connecting your call. Alternatively, if you go to the Calls tab, you can tap on the green call button at the bottom right. This will open your contact list where you can search for the person you want to call. Tap on the voice call or video call button next to their name and your call will begin. Once you are done, simply press the red button to hang up the call. And that's it. Now you know how to call on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.